My wife's Toyota RAV4 won't start. Let's replace the battery. Follow the instructions in your vehicle's manual. Park the car with the charging battery so it's facing the front of the car with the bad battery. Apply both parking brakes. Open both hoods. Remove any plastic battery terminal covers. Lay out the jumper cables with the clamps separated. Take one red clamp and connect it to the positive post of the dead battery. Keep the black clamp away from the battery and any metal parts. Connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the charging battery. Then the black clamp to the negative post on the charging battery. Connect the final clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the dead car away from the battery, fuel lines, and moving parts. Like this strut tower, nut and bolt. Start the engine of the charging vehicle. Run and rev the charging vehicle for a couple of minutes to slightly charge the dead battery. Then start the vehicle with the dead battery. Let the vehicle idle. And remove the jumper cables in reverse order. First, the grounded black clamp. Then on the charging battery, the black clamp followed by the red clamp. Finally, the red clamp on the formerly dead battery. Close the hood and drive the newly started vehicle 15 to 30 minutes to recharge the battery.